So this is a raw vlog. So dito tayo ngayon sa paddleboard area. Isa sa favorite naming fishing spot para sa species ng mackerel. Kung mackerel yung aming target species ngayon. So happy Father's Day sa inyong lahat. So ito kami ngayon. Makita mo, ang daming tao, medyo busy. Maraming nagsuswimming. Tapos siyempre, mga angler nandito din. So yan. Present tayo dyan kasi ang ganda ng panahon. Medyo kalmado. Nakahuli na tayo ng isa. Sand eel. Suki na tayo ng sand eel. Nahuli natin. Actually, dalawa yun. Nalaglag lang yung isa. Hindi natin, ni-let go na natin. Ganun lang yun. Let go mo lang. Let go para makakahuli tayo ng mas malaki. See ya! What is up sa inyo guys? So, andito naman tayo sa ating mini adventure. Fishing escapade. So, yan. So, doon tayo. Meron tayong pupwestuhan doon sa baba. Medyo stiff yung ating lalakaran. As you can see naman. So still, ang target natin species ay mackerel. Pero kung halimbawa makakahuli tayo ng sea bass, someone told us that we can capture some species of sea bass around here. Kasi meron ng nakahuli kahapon. So tatry namin. Pag nahulog ka doon, kwento ka na lang. So yun yung aming secret destination. Kita nyo naman medyo challenging pero okay yan. Let's go. So yes, until now, this is a raw vlog. So as you can see, buwis buhay. Yeah. Hello, yeah. We just started.
Been here for a few hours. All right. I only caught one mackerel.
Oh, really? Only one, huh?
Yeah. There's nothing much today anyway.
So there's someone there. So yeah.
Sun is dropping down. Nothing more ulit.
Yes, fish on tayo. Fish on. Ayos. So what is up? Ito naman yung hindi mo matatawaran talaga dito. Ito. Yan. Sunset. Something that remove the stress. Alam mo yun, parang pag lumubog na siya another day. So kung may problema ka, nood ka lang ng sunset. Like this. So after sunset, another day. Parang ganon. Alam mo yung feeling na ganon? Patanggal ng stress. Pag nai-stress ka, yan. Pantay ka lang sunset. Pag lubog niyan, ibig sabihin nun, another day. Yeah, let's go. So, time check. 10 p.m.
10 PM na ba?
10 p.m. na, Brad. 10 p.m. na. So, sunset, 10 p.m. You know. Successful. May huli, hindi tayo na zero. Oh, di ba? So, it's a success. Dito lang pala tayo huhuli. Layo pa ng narating natin.